Yoga involves a physical, mental, and spiritual practice that has been around for centuries. It has become more prevalent recently due to its numerous health benefits. Yoga involves different postures or asanas, breathing exercises, and meditation techniques. This holistic approach has been known to positively impact the mind and body. In this blog post, we'll explore the specific benefits of yoga on the body, including improved flexibility, strength, balance, posture, and reduced stress and inflammation. You'll be amazed at what yoga can do for your body. Let's look at some specifics. Improved flexibility. One of the most noticeable benefits of yoga is improved flexibility. Yoga postures involve stretching and lengthening muscles, which can increase your range of motion and improve your overall flexibility. This increased flexibility can help reduce the risk of injury and improve your performance in other physical activities. Increased strength. Another benefit of practicing yoga is increased strength. Yoga postures require you to hold your body weight in various positions, which can strengthen your muscles, particularly in your arms, legs, and core. This increased strength can improve your posture, reduce your risk of injury, and make everyday activities easier. Better balance. Yoga postures also improve your balance. Balancing poses require you to engage your core muscles and focus your attention, which can improve your overall balance and stability. This increased balance can reduce the risk of falls and improve your performance in other physical activities. Improved posture. Poor posture is a known problem for most people these days. Yoga poses can improve your posture by strengthening the muscles that support your spine and aligning your body correctly. This improved posture can reduce the risk of injury, improve breathing, and even boost your confidence. Reduced stress. Yoga is known for its ability to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Yoga breath exercises and meditation techniques can help calm your mind and reduce the production of stress hormones, such as cortisol. This can lead to many health benefits, including improved sleep, reduced anxiety, and improved overall well-being. Reduced inflammation. Inflammation is typically a natural response to injury or illness, but chronic inflammation can lead to several health problems, including heart disease and cancer. Yoga, on occasion, has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. Reportedly, this was said to be done by reducing stress and improving immune function. This can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases and improve overall health. The benefits of yoga on the body are numerous and include improved flexibility, strength, balance, posture, and reduced stress and inflammation. Practicing yoga on a consistent basis can reduce the risk of injury, improve your performance in other physical activities, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Many sources are available to help you get started or continue your yoga practice. You can attend yoga classes in person or online, watch instructional videos, or even download yoga apps on your phone. With patience, dedication, and consistent practice, you can experience the many benefits of yoga on your body and mind. So why not start your yoga journey today? Your body will thank you for it. Thanks for watching. Learn more at spiritualserenade89.com. Click the link in the description below.